It's a 2003 Lincoln Town Car. Spoil every single passenger in this spacious and luxurious Lincoln Town Car. It comes with great features you love: Alpine sound system, front heated leather split bench seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, V8 engine, rear wheel drive, Alpine audiophile AM/FM stereo radio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the Town Car is appealing for its spacious seating for 6 people and a trunk that provides cavernous storage for luggage and golf clubs. Unforgettable journeys and possibilities await you in this Lincoln. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.